Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
It was a very warm day across the state line today, a big difference from yesterday when we had the clouds, rain, and gloom. This time around, the sunshine allowed many spots to warm into the 80s, and that included 86 in Rockford, 86 in Sterling, 84 in Savannah and Freeport, as well as DeKalb, 85 degrees, the high temperature in Rochelle. Our temperatures are a little bit on the cooler side as of now, down in the low 70s and upper 60s for many of us, including 71 the current temperature in Rockford, 70 in Rochelle, Poplar Grove, and Harvard, 69 in DeKalb, 68 the current temperature in Freeport. These have been falling behind a cold front that we had earlier this morning. That's also dropping our dew points across the board as well. Weather watcher Terry out in Genoa, his dew point is already down to 63 degrees along with the current temperature of 72 and winds out of the west around 12 miles per hour. Not only are the dew points dropping out that direction, but also pretty significantly off to our north and our northwest. We see pretty closely where that cold front is currently located, now off to our south and our southeast, clearing a lot of that humidity that we've had from the last day or so that brought us a lot of the rain. Up to our north and west, dew points closer to the 50-degree mark will likely be what we expect to see over the next couple of days. That's also helped to clear our skies out as well. That cold front now well off to our south and east, as I mentioned, clearing along with it not only the humidity, but also the clouds and rain that we had earlier today, for some spots still well off to our south. Even clear skies continuing into the night tonight. Our SkyTrack camera in Beloit, Wisconsin, some fireworks off in the distance there as well, as it is now becoming closer to that season for many of us, and hopefully still expecting clearer skies as we get closer to the 4th as well. Today would be a perfect day if the 4th of July were tonight, as we are going to be seeing clear skies and even cooler temperatures. Down to 55 for the overnight low, underneath most clear skies, and a pleasant night. We still have somewhat stronger winds, though, coming out of the north-northwest, gusting to around 20 miles per hour. During the day tomorrow, we still hold on to those northerly winds, and that'll help to keep our temperatures a little bit lower. We only warm to around 73 for the afternoon high, despite the sunshine that we will see, because we are going to be continuing to see that pumping in of cooler air, along with much drier air that lasts for a few more days. We eventually see the return of moisture and rain chances, but not until we get into late Monday night going into Tuesday. A lot of that moisture will mainly be present along to our west and our northwest, closer to Iowa, where we're going to be seeing a lot more of that moisture taking place a bit further off toward that direction. This will then bring a cold front through the area Tuesday evening. That will bring us our next storm chances, primarily for us after a mostly dry Tuesday afternoon. That cold front will then likely stall to our south for Wednesday before lifting back north into Thursday. That will eventually bring us our next potential chances for thunderstorms as we head into the day on Thursday. Luckily, we're not going to be seeing any of the significant weather that the tropics are going to be seeing. We've already now seen Hurricane Beryl, our first hurricane of the season in the tropics that has recently formed in the Atlantic, already up to 85 miles per hour and nearing Category 2 strength. It is forecast to make a Category 3 landfall across parts of the Caribbean before eventually moving off into the Gulf Coast. Nothing significant for us here locally, especially over the next couple of days. 73 on Sunday, 76 on Monday, but higher chances for rain and storms along with near seasonable temperatures as we head into the middle of the week and going into next weekend.